Hello, I'm Sobha Bansiwal, Assistant Professor English, SPC Government College, Bhim. Today I'm going to explain the summary of the novel uh, Coolie by Mulk Raj Anand. This novel presents the story of the adventures of Manu. Manu is an orphan boy. His parents had died, and he lives with his uncle Dayaram, who is a peon in Imperial Bank of India in Samnagar branch. His aunt is Guzri. Uh, bo- Although his uncle Dayaram treats him well, but his aunt Guzri treats him very badly. When Manu becomes 14 years old, his uncle and aunt think that it is proper is that he start earning some money. So Manu is put in the household of Dayaram's co-worker Babu Nathuram as a domestic servant. Babu Nathuram is a sub-account in Imperial Bank of India in Shamnagar. Uh, in Babu Nathuram's home, there is his wife, Bibi Uttam Kaur, and his younger brother, Dr. Prem Chand, and his two daughters, Sheila and Leela. Uh, Babu Nathuram, his wife, and Dr. Premchand treat Manu very badly, and Manu feels very as a Manu feels himself as a stranger, and uh, but he develops friendship with Sheila and Leela. He often plays tricks on them and cuts jokes with them. Once tricks played by him is considered option by Bibi Uttam Kaur, and he is threatened to be punished. So he runs away from there. While crossing the railway line, he sees a train and boards this train. In He boards a compartment of the train, and he lays down under one of the benches. Here, uh, Seth Prabhat Seth Prabhadayal with his wife Parvati and um, his co-manager of his pickle factory, whose name is Ganpat, arrived there. Uh, Prabha Dayal uh, puts his luggage under the bench, and when his station comes, he tries to pull the luggage uh, from under the bench, but his hands uh, picks a hand, uh, and when he looks, it is Manu. uh, Prabha Dayal and his wife Parvati decides to take Manu with them to their home, because because Prabha Dayal um, himself was a uh, orphan, um, and when he was young, he was an orphan, so he feels sympathy with this boy, and Prabhadayal also um, belong belongs to uh, Kangra district of northern states of India. So he feels sympathy with this boy, and he decides to take this boy to his home. Here at his home, uh, Prabhadayal works in a pickle factory. He is the owner of a pickle factory, and Ganpat is his co-manager or his partner in this pick in the business of this pickle business. Manu is put in this work as an errand boy. He helps other laborers in this factory. But Ganpat doesn't like Manu's working in this factory. He because he because Ganpat uh, spends much of the money of factory for his own use, and he feels that Manu may suspect him, uh, or may disclose his bad deeds. So he feels he doesn't like his working there. uh, Once Ganpat picks a fight with Prabhadayal's neighbor, and he becomes very angry, and he calls a public health minister, public health officer, who is a Englishman, and but Prabhadayal acts intelligently, and he sends uh, some pickle boxes and jam boxes with this public health officer uh, to to silence the matter. So this public health officer, who is an Englishman, uh, becomes pacified and goes back. But uh, Manu Ganpat is sent to other clients out of the city to take the money, which have to take money. Uh, when Ganpat goes to take money from the clients, uh, he gains more than 700, but 700 rupees, but he spends all the money on a dancing girl. When but Prabha Dayal is in a very tough situation, um, and he is in urgent need of money. He needs 500 rupees, but all of his money is spent by Ganpat on useless things. So Manu, their arms creditors, uh, who have from whom uh, Dayaram has taken money, come to him, and they demand money, but Dayaram is unable to pay them off because he has no money. At this time, his Prabha Dayal's neighbors neighbor's son becomes a police officer, and he and one day he comes there with some constables, and handcuffs Prabhadayal. So he takes him to police station, and they beat him very harshly. So um Prabhadayal's business is ruined completely. Uh, we will discuss the rest of the story in the next session. Thank you.